Hi there and welcome back. Sometimes projects take a little bit longer than expected. So it's high time to say the magic words again. Let's get started. Regular viewers know these steps already. For my new viewers and subscribers, these are the steps to my neighbor's veranda that I built 2 years ago as he is having mobility problems. Back then, we did not change the roof due to cost reasons. Now it's time to give it a fresh look. After 15 years underneath a leaf tree in sunny and rainy weather, the plastic roof fulfilled its purpose and it's time to make room for something new. As lovely as the tree looks in spring, its leaves really damaged the surface of the plastic roof. One of Udo's friends, Ninette, is helping me with the project. And although the PVC is more or less rotten and leaky, the wooden structure is still intact. A good base to start. Some of you might now see my own project house in the background and might want to ask, "Hey André, why don't you stop procrastinating and continue working on your own project?" And the answer to this question is, I just don't know. If someone of you has a good answer to this eligible question for me, just write it in the comments. Let's speed up the process a bit and enjoy clear blue sky. Hey presto, that looks already much better. Udo's wish was to celebrate his 60th birthday in his own garden. So, what could be better than starting a new decade with a freshly renovated yard? I'm going to install these 5-meter-long plexiglass panels, held between two aluminum profiles, screwed down to the wooden structure. So, how to get these things up there? by a little help of my friend. Otherwise, it wouldn't be possible to maneuver around these long and wobbly plastic sheets on your own. If you don't want to observe the mating behavior of your local insects, you have to seal both ends of the hollow panels. The sealing tape is breathable and lets moisture out, but no water inside. The only downside of the system is that you have to screw down the aluminum profile while hanging more or less over the next PVC panel. But once you found out how it works, it's an easy task. Physically, it was more exhausting to climb up and down the ladder than it was to do the installation itself. It always amazes me to see our different walking styles.
Die Folie drunter wegmachen, das geht ganz schnell. Und dann
And yes, it's even complicated for two persons. Of course, we wanted to avoid any scratches on the new roof.
mir.
I guess watching us working together is a feast for every relationship therapist. From spring into early summer. Everyone is in the garden. And some annoying neighbor is always mowing the lawn. And we pre-gamed for Udo's party. This is how a satisfied 60-year-old looks, being in the zone and cooking for everyone. What a blast we had. And maybe 1 or 2 glasses too much. This was last summer. Now we are in real time. The lake still frozen. Nature still in the silent mode. One of our neighbors sadly passed away in winter. His favorite place will remain empty now. But when you listen carefully, you can already hear the ice melting. When I said in the beginning that some projects take longer than expected, it is this what I was talking about. 8 months ago I ordered the wrong end profiles. The right one is the correct one. So let's install it. These end profiles should keep the PVC panels from sagging or breaking. You can just beat them with a rubber mallet onto the ends. No, Mum, I did not gain weight. I'm wearing 2 winter jackets. These end brackets prevent the panels from sliding down the roof. What in reality they never do. But it looks better as well and keeps the manufacturer happy. Last step, let's turn back time. So, spring can come. At least Udo's roof is ready now. Next week there is no chance for procrastination anymore. I hired some lumberjacks. No, not what you think. See you all next week. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy.